Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. This is the project we're making today, and this is the final project for the Spooktacular Bash class packet. Okay, so let me show you the supplies. All the details about that are over on my website. Okay, so we've got basic black cardstock that measures 8.5 by 5, and then we've got another piece that measures 2.5 by 2.5. We've got Whisper White that's 2 by 2. And then we have 4 pieces of the Monster Bash Designer Series paper. And they measure, I can't find my measurement, so let me get that real quick. 1 3/4 by 2 3/4. And you're going to need 4 of those, okay? So I'm going to get the Simply Scored scoring tool out. And we'll start with the scoring. I'm going to place it on the 8.5 inch side, and I'm going to score it at 2, 4, 6, 8, and then I'm going to turn it on the 5 inch side and score it at 2 inches. Okay, so now I'm going to take my bone folder and burnish those score lines. One more. Okay, now I'll take the scissors, and down here I'm going to remove this section and then just angle cut this one just a tad, and then I'm going to cut up to the score line on the rest of these. This is what we call the 2468 box. It's a box that I've been making like ever since I became a demonstrator, so 17 years ago. I'm going to take my tear and tape and I'm going to add it to this 1/2 inch strip here. Take your pick tool and remove the backing of the tear and tape. Okay, so I'm going to fold this over. Now that's going to be the back of my box. That makes this the front. So I'm going to place my adhesive here. Same thing. So the class packet can be for free with a minimum order using the host code. That's this host code right here. This is only going to be available a couple more days, or you can purchase it for a fee. So all those details are over there. Now I'm going to take the Designer Series paper and add it to each of the panels. So I'm going to turn those over and add some liquid glue. I love this pattern of paper too. One more. Okay, so there's that part. Now let's stamp our image. We're using Memento ink, Spooktacular Bash stamp set. I am using one of my paper pumpkin blocks. Okay, now I'm going to take the light Smoky Slate and light Mango Melody. This is crushed curry, but you can use whatever yellow color that you have. So I'm going to start with the light Mango Melody, and I'm just going to color this section right here by his eyes, and then I'm going to color the frame. And I'm intentionally doing this like quick and dirty. It's Halloween, so anything goes. And now I'm going to take the light Smoky Slate Now I'm just going to color the edges of him with the light smoky slate. And then now I'm going to take my bullet point and I'm going to color within this frame. Okay, looks pretty cute, right? So now we're going to cut that out with the ornate frames, and then we're going to cut out the basic black piece with the other frame. So both of those are in the ornate frames dies. Okay, so we're going to do the black cardstock there, slide that down, and then this one here. Okay, so I normally run this through the Big Shot 2 times to get all those little pieces out, but this one works a little bit easier than the other one, so you don't have to run this through 2 times. It's that really long one that I prefer to run through twice. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let me just clean this off, put my dies back up. Okay, so now this image here is going to get attached just with liquid glue to the frame. So add a little bit in the middle. And add that. And then I'm going to take the Take Your Pick tool and I'm going to pick up one of these black enamel shapes. I wanted to give this project some bling. Okay, so what fits in here is this Rice Krispie treats. So it fits perfectly in our 3x6 cellophane bag. And all I'm going to do is take the black glittered organdy ribbon, and I will tell you that if you go ahead and put it in your box, let me make sure, where's the back side? Right there. Okay, so this is the front. I'm going to go ahead and place it in there. And then add my ribbon. And this ribbon's pretty easy to tie. I'm just going to knot it. I don't want to crush my box, so it came back out. And this time I'm just going to tie a knot instead of a bow. Okay, so now just trim the ends of the ribbon. Okay, so now that that's tied, we're going to place it inside the box, and then we're going to fix the top of the bag, make it prettier. I didn't do a very good job, did I? It'll be okay. And then this is going to get added with a black Stampin' Dimensional. So I'm just going to get one of those, put it on the back, and then add it to the front. Okay, so if you have any questions about the Spooktacular Bash class packet, let me know. Have a great day. Thank you.